last exercise, we did this spoked wheel, and now within this same part, we will make some usage of this wheel. We will build our one car with a spoked wheel. So let's do this together. So first is we need to add this spoked wheel module to our vehicle parts. The script. So from that is we will have the different wheel now. So let's copy this. So module, and we have a simple wheel, complex wheel. Now I put that here. So now we have our spokes wheel. That's inside here. Let me translate that. Translate on X. So now on X on 50. So what was the second one? Compile, translate 30. So now let's do the 60, 00. Now we have complex, simple, and spokes. So let me save. So as I mentioned, this is the Windows. So I have to use this traditional way to copy this manually. Go to this program file and come to OpenSCAD, the library itself, and overwrite this one. So once I overwrite this, my loaded the script will have this spokes file wheel usage. So now let's make our new car. So car with the spokes wheel. So let's do our basic car. So and when we have this wheel, we change that to the spokes wheel. So that is the thing is we will try to do. So let's create or save this. Make our new file and save. Save as 11 with car with the spokes wheel. So we have those one. So we can use this and we make the. Let's copy to here. Remember, you need to ensure is you know your subfolder. So otherwise you will get error. And then run the car. Run the car body. So that is we will do the exact the new car, not like the old car. So first is we have a sphere is the base. So we have this one, and then this we have another sphere. So we don't use the perimeter. We just copy this here. But remember here is better you did this minus 0.001. So otherwise, this 50 is not the insure is attached. But since this is not the cube, so it's not big issue. So we have our actually it's our car body. Now we're starting to build our wheels. And the Excel, we will keep that here. So we have our Excel. That's no change, but just the second Excel is the rare is we have some different settings: front track, rear track. So that is the difference, and that focus on the wheel. So we should have this translate remember is we have this positive, negative x and positive, negative y setting based on this wheelbase divided by 2, front track divided by 2, 0. And then I have meter n. After that, we should have spoke wheel. This wheel is have this different variable, so we should have radius is equal to front wheel radius, weight equal to front wheel weight, and the thickness equal to front wheel thickness. We already have all those settings. Last is spoke radius equal to front spoke radius. So with those, we should have our first spoke wheel. So ignore unknown module spokes wheel. So it's not a spokes. If you come to here, our module is called the spoke. So that is the thing is you need to call the correct name. So perfect, we have this one, and very easy on the another side. It just from the Y is to go to the another side. So now we have this first two, and then the last two is we can copy this and do some change. So first is let's consider this will be here. So we put this, then that will be coming to the back. But since it's our the rear track is longer, so it should have this front. Now the front is the rear first, rear, and all those internal things is it's just the spoke. So so if we use the right, it's smaller, but we if you use this now it's a 10.431, and we have our the default value 10.50.42. No, it's 12.557. So if we just load the default value, that should be bigger one. So the rear smoked wheel, we can use the bigger one. So let's try. Yeah, that is what we want. And then this now let's just compare. It's exact same as what here is looking for. So that means is when you build our new type of wheel, it's so easy. You can add into your script. Then you can use that to build your new the cars. But looks like it's I have an error. So let's ensure front spoke. So I did this front spoke. Where is the 25, 27? Here. So I have some typo, but that's not impact the things, because if you don't give that this parameter, I suppose it will read the default value. So that is coming from the script. So that's also one good thing is you make a default value so that you if you forgot to assign our new value, they can at least retrieve from the default value and make this model finish the rendering. So you don't get our empty one. because you always have the perimeter for your body or your these shapes. Okay, so that's all for this part 2. So next part is we will do some nested the loop, and that will give more the interesting things that you can make are huge number of the models at the same time. See you later.